some short.
Speaking exclusively to NNIS newly appointed DCW chief, Swati Maliwal has said that as the head of the commission, she is strictly going to follow a zero-tolerance policy towards sexual harassment and acid attacks on women.
3 days back when I had joined, it was very, very clear that our main and primary agenda is to work on women's safety. We want to work towards creating Delhi a place very, very safe for women, so that women can even come out at 12 o'clock in the night and feel safe, and also feel safe at their home. We also have zero tolerance towards rape, sexual harassment, whether it is at home or at workplace, acid attack. These are the kind of incidents for which we have a zero tolerance. And we also want to look into the issue of alcoholism, because we believe that it is bringing about a lot of problems in Delhi for the women of Delhi, especially in their homes and also outside. New DCW commission will bring about is basically we will ensure that whatever the commission that has been functioning in this AC room, in the 4 rooms of Vikas Bhavan, we actually want to bring it down to go and meet those women who really need us. So you will be seeing a lot of activity from DCW, which is not going to be just restricted to within the walls of the commission. I totally agree that DCW is a recommendatory body and we definitely lack a lot of powers, but this much I want to assure that whatever powers we have in the past 8 years, even those powers have not been used. As of now, I really feel that he does have a longer and broader vision, and I am going to be, once I'm done with my, once we actually get down to work because of whatever controversies that are going on, I'm definitely going to meet the Chief Minister and be discussing his vision.
Powered by NNIS.